I want to thank you for coming to our YouTube video on how to install our classic leaf relief to existing gutters. It's a really unique product. It's made of aluminum and it really works well. So we're going to go over some of the benefits of the products and how it installs. It's very simple to do. So let's talk about the different types. Now, this is the classic leaf relief. We have another YouTube video that is on a continuous leaf relief product, and you can click on that. And here's the product. It comes in 10-foot lengths. It's got a rubber gasket. It has to sit on a hanger system, and Eric's showing you that. And again, you see the front. We're going to show you how that actually locks onto the top of the gutter. So you've got to have some sort of a hanger to really hold this up. But it works very well. It keeps the leaves off, keeps the gutters clean. So let's talk about the different types of products that we have, because we have a product for every single type of gutter. He showed you the flat product that would go over a spike and ferrule or a flat bar. The next one we want to show you is what we call zip leaf relief. Let's show you the hangers too. Zip leaf relief goes over zip hangers. So he's showing you that. Why don't you show him that flat hanger too? The flat hanger really is for the that we have in the gutter now, and it's used mostly now, but the zip is getting to be very popular. So for the flat product that he has in his left hand, you're going to use the flat leaf relief. But we want to show you what happens with the zip. He's got a little piece of gutter here. We'll show you. When the zip is installed to a gutter, it sits up above it. So you want to have a leaf relief. See, he's got it in there. It's got a screw that connects it. So the zip has a step in it. And you just use the same thing, use the gasket and put it right on top of that zip. Perfect. See, the product's got to be flat for it to work. So you use the zip on the zip and the flat on the flat hangers. We also have a half round leaf relief. We just want to show you what it looks like. And it goes over any kind of half round existing gutters, whether it has either type of hanger. So we just show you, there's not many people that offer that. So that could be done over a half round gutter. We have an adjustable product that's used in certain cases. You see it's got the same gasket, but you can adjust that and slide it and screw that down tight for gutters that are different sizes. So a lot of different products, every gutter's covered. I do want to show you about the notches. Well, we can do we'll show you that first. That's the inside and outside factory ends. They come with a rivet, and you can use those or you can make your own. So let's also show you the ends of the product with the notches, because it comes in 10 foot, and he's showing you what a full piece would look like. You can see on both sides it has a 1/2-inch notch. We'll show you how that overlaps when you put them together. It's just like sliding. It really works well. So you slide them together and put screws on the front, and then you go every 2 feet. So it's got a lot of benefits to it. So again, we can go over flat, zip, spike and ferrule. So one little note on there, we got a little display up there, and we got the hangers at about every 16 inches, but they got to go over hangers no greater than 30 inches, or you'll have to put another hanger, and most hangers will fall under that system. So again, the next thing we want to show you, let's install it actually. We have a piece already cut, very simple. Got that plastic gutter in the back. He's going to pop it in, and then we'll have Junior go ahead and screw that in. That's how easy it goes in. You just pop it, sits right on top. You don't want to go any more than 2 inches on center. The things I want to make sure aware of as Junior screws that in, very easy, just use a standard zip screw. You got the zip screw, Eric? You could show them. We have the zip screws you can get anywhere. It doesn't come with the product. Stainless steel, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, hex head, just to hold that down. That's all you need to do. A couple of other things as Junior's putting that up, it's all easy. You never ever slide the rubber gasket underneath a roof shingle like a lot of other products. It just sits right up against the drip edge. That's really important, and it will self-adhere. You don't slide it under the drip edge. You just force it right up against it, and it's self-adhering, and it works very well. And you're screwing in the top, and it works very well where Eric's showing you. So again, we've showed you the benefits of this great product. It's made of aluminum. It'll last forever. This product has a 25-year warranty for clogs and overflow. Hopefully you'll give it a shot. And we appreciate you coming to our YouTube video, and click on other ones to see other leaf relief products. Thank you.